Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution Tutorial channel. In this comprehensive video, I put you through how to calculate land use land cover change detection analysis, and of course, I also show you how to calculate land use land cover transition matrix in ArcGIS. This video is a complete video that puts you through step by step on how to perform land use land cover change detection analysis. In this video, I cover how to convert raster to vector or to polygon, and I also demonstrated how to carry out vector layer dissolution. I showed you how to carry out change detection analysis proper. Similarly, I demonstrated how to calculate step by step land use land cover transition matrix. This video is very comprehensive, and also I demonstrated how to copy your result to Excel for further analysis. The land use land cover transition analysis, I also demonstrated how to produce the transition map and also how to style it. To have full access to this very video, kindly join our YouTube membership. You will have full access to this video. This video is specifically for our members. If you want to have full access to it, it's a very comprehensive video that shows you step by step how everything is done. Join our YouTube membership and you will have full access to this very comprehensive tutorial. Thank you for watching.